just continuing to get more panels ready for primer. So that includes both rear wings for the car. Now I've got a pair of reproduction items going on there. Back in the day I could see that there was a slight difference in the wings that was actually on the car. Whether one was an earlier item, I'm not too sure, but it actually made the rear of the car look slightly lopsided. So I just decided to change them out. So I've had to give them a good soak in and a little bit of a sand where the sort of travel primer is, and I've had to remove all the stickers that the retailer puts on them. Now that wing's primered look shows up all the little indentations. Rubbing down those light housings as well, you can see where the rougher spots are, but just needs a little bit of filler in that bit, and then that'll get hit again with another coat of primer. And again, a little bit more paint left in the gun, so put that to use there. Started to rain outside. I did get the car out, but it's back in again now. So I'm just doing a bit more filler work until it passes over. I'm making a start on the limited space that I've got on the battery strap. Just made that little clamp there out of 2mm thick steel. This end is going to be welded to that little clamp bracket type thing, which is going to be welded to the floor pan, and I've got to draw a hole in here so that that existing bolt can accept it. Bear with me on this one, you'll see what I mean. And there it is, welded in. I couldn't actually film the welding process because I was burning the hell out of my camera. And there it is with the battery in. Now it's utilising that bolt at the rear there. Now what I'm also going to do is put some foam strip underneath this, just so it cushions the metal strap across the battery there, and obviously paint it as well. Just a little pour 15 around the welds there. There we go, a little bit of paint, and I'm going to leave the foam to another day because that's hidden behind the plastic sheeting somewhere, along with everything else. That old weather still ain't being too kind out there, so I'm in here doing what I can, a little bit more repair, just to the edge of the bonnet. It was still all over the place and I wasn't too happy with it, so a little bit of pour 15 epoxy filler in there, and it's looking much better. Where I can, I do try and keep one step ahead of myself. And this is one of them jobs that are going to need a little bit of forward thinking. So I've got all 4 door cards. This one, I think this is the correct handle. The other side's got a later version attached to it. Now the vinyl's in quite good condition. There's no splits or tears in it yet. But when it does come to the reverse side, it is in quite a bad way. So the board's obviously split there, and it's got some damp that has expanded the board in the corner. So I'm going to try my best. I think I'm going to get hold of a bit of board, use this as a template, and then reattach the vinyl. It should be good. So I'll check the others over, see if I need any more board, and I'll think about getting that in. These original front wings have had so much work needed doing to them, but you can tell that they're a better quality metal than the reproduction items. They just got a bit more weight to them. Well, the rain ain't letting up, but I've just had my bolts and washers delivered so I can get the rest of the pan down. Did I mention that I hate pan bolts? Especially those 4 at the front. Oh, that's rain, you can hear. I think this weather's playing tricks on me. I had to do this on a couple of them. Just send the M8 tap up there, just to clear it out. I've got 3 pan bolts left, but that's it for today. I've run out of time, so until next time, make it better than it was, and I'll see you then.